Course badges can be managed in Course Admin in the Badges section. To create a badge, you can click on Add a new badge. Give your badge a name and, optionally, specify the version and language. You can then add a description and upload a badge image. Additionally, you have the option to provide the details of the badge image author. Finally, you can define whether and when the badge should expire. When you then click on Create Badge, your badge will be created and you will be able to add the criteria that learners need to meet in order to earn this badge. To do so, you can select a badge criteria type from the drop-down list. A badge can be manually issued by users with a specified role. In this case, you can select the roles that will be able to award this badge and specify whether all or any of these roles will be required to issue the badge. Finally, you can add an optional description. A badge can also be awarded based on course completion. In this case, you will be able to specify a minimum course grade required for the badge to be awarded. Optionally, you can set a date by which this grade must be achieved and add a description. If you have already created other badges in your course, you also have the option of awarding a badge based on previously awarded badges. In this case, you will be able to specify the other badges a learner needs to obtain before this one will be awarded. Finally, badges are most often awarded based on activity completion. In this case, you will be able to select, from all the activities in your course, the specific activities that a learner must complete before the badge will be awarded. You can then specify whether learners must complete all or any of the selected activities in order to earn the badge. Finally, you can also add a description. When you then click on Save, the specified criteria will be applied to your badge. In the Message tab, you can customize the notification message that a learner receives when they have earned this badge. The badge name, as well as a link to the badge information page, will both be dynamically added to this message. You can also decide to attach the badge to this message, and whether the badge creator should be notified when a badge is awarded. When you're happy, you can click Save Changes to apply your customizations. Once you've enabled your badge and it has been awarded to learners in your course, you will be able to keep track of badge recipients in the Recipients tab. In the Endorsements tab, you will be able to add any applicable third-party accreditations that add value to your badge. In the Related Badges tab, you can also mark and keep track of any badges that may have a connection to this one. Finally, in the Alignments tab, you can specify any applicable external skills or standards that the badge is aligned with. When your badge setup is complete, you will be able to see all relevant details on the Badge Overview page. When you're ready, you can then go ahead and enable your badge so that it can be awarded to learners who meet the criteria. When a learner has earned a badge, they will receive a notification. The badge information page will display all the relevant badge details. Here, they will also be able to download their badge.